My name is Michael Emmerich with Guinness World Records in New York City. Today was an official Guinness World Records attempt at largest motorcycle toy run results. The mark to beat was 1,735 people in a motorcycle toy run. That was set in the UK in 2014. Today you had 1,686. You fell short by 49 people.
Remember that this is about the children and think about what you did today for our local community. So we did great today. I'm so proud of you.
Next year.
Maybe we can do it again.
Why you wanna bring me so? Delilah, Delilah. Why you wanna bring me so? I need hands on me. Come fly, come land on me.